I grow when you take care of me, but shrink when you ignore me. I can last over a century or be cut short in an instant. What am I? The answer? Your lifespan. Now imagine a future where diseases no longer dictate how long we live, where genetic disorders are erased before birth, where age-related illnesses are slowed or even reversed. This isn't science fiction. By 2028, biotechnology and pharma innovations will reshape how we live. So the real question isn't if biotech will redefine life expectancy, it's how soon. Are we on the brink of a health revolution? Let's take a closer look. CRISPR therapies could cure diseases like sickle cell anemia and inherited blindness. Lab-grown meat will revolutionize food, reducing disease risks and environmental damage. AI-driven drug discovery will create customized treatments, making healthcare more precise than ever. Buckle up because the future is closer than you think. First, CRISPR gene editing. You might have heard of it, but if not, it's just a matter of time. CRISPR is like a pair of molecular scissors that can cut and edit DNA with pinpoint accuracy. By 2028, CRISPR could be a household name, revolutionizing everything from agriculture to medicine. Imagine crops that are not only resistant to pests, but also more nutritious. And in the medical field, we're talking about potentially eradicating genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. Incredible, right? Next, lab-grown meat. I know what you're thinking. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie? Trust me, it's real and it's happening. Lab-grown meat is produced by culturing animal cells, meaning no more ethical dilemmas or environmental downsides of traditional meat production. By 2028, it could become mainstream, available in your local supermarket, and on your dinner table. Imagine biting into a juicy burger that's not only delicious, but also guilt-free because it didn't harm a single animal or the planet. It's a win-win. Now let's shift gears to healthcare innovations. The future of healthcare is looking smarter than ever. Picture this: personalized medicine tailored to your genetic makeup. With advances in biotech, treatments will be more effective and have fewer side effects. Wearable devices will continuously monitor your health, predicting illnesses before they even happen. And AI-driven diagnostics will ensure you get the right treatment at the right time, saving countless lives. But wait, there's more. Biotech isn't just about health and food. It's also paving the way for environmental sustainability. Think biodegradable plastics made from algae and bacteria that can clean up oil spills. By 2028, biotech could be at the forefront of solving some of our planet's biggest challenges. So what does this all mean for you and me? It means a future where we live healthier, more sustainable lives. A future where technology and biology come together to create solutions that were once unimaginable. The next few years are going to be epic. You'll see how biotech reshapes our world. That's all for today, folks. Subscribe for more health and tech content and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Peace out.